Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and usually I don't include the download speed and the install of updates, how fast they update it or not. I wait until it says installing, and then the restart and all of that. But I didn't notice, because a lot of people are kind of commenting they're not sure if it's normal or not, that the downloads are very slow for Windows Update today. What's interesting about the downloads is that I noticed that when I clicked check for updates, for the first maybe 20 to 30 minutes, it was really fast. And then two of my Windows 11 machines took a really long time to download. Actually, the download on my oldest machine got stuck at about 10% and stayed there for a good 10 to 12 to 15 minutes before it started going back again and getting faster. So, these are the downloads from Microsoft servers, and if a lot of computers are going at the same time saying, hey, I'm going to check for downloads, it might slow down the download speeds, because there is a limit to the amount of data that, servers can give out. So it's kind of normal. There's no problem there. That's why I always say kind of stop looking at the downloads or stop looking at the Windows Update install page when all of this is happening. It stresses out people a lot more than anything else, because every time they see a little something, oh, it's stuck at that percentage of download, I think something's wrong. When in reality it's probably fine. It's just that there's a bottleneck somewhere on the internet where the downloads aren't going as fast as they should. All sorts of things like that can happen. It could happen at the side of Microsoft and the servers. So, no worries to have. And it's the same thing for the install once again. When it installs, I don't stop looking at, the install percentage and wait for it. Because once again, many times in the installs, what happens is that it sticks to a percentage, and then it stays there for a long time, and people are worried that maybe the update isn't working well, when in reality it's just that, the computer's doing something else, and while it's doing that, it doesn't have the time to update the percentage. So it gives you the impression nothing's happening, but in reality everything's fine. So just don't stress too much on what you see there. The important thing is that after a certain amount of time, it will have installed, and you'll have the restart, and everything will be fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.